Advanced English Grammar, Mixed Conditionals and Subjunctive Mood. Welcome to Advanced English Grammar. Today we will explore two powerful topics, mixed conditionals and subjunctive mood. These are essential for fluent and natural English. What are mixed conditionals? Conditionals talk about if situations. Mixed conditionals equals past plus present, present plus past. They connect different times in one sentence. Formula 1. Past present. If plus past perfect, would plus base verb. Example. If I had studied harder, I would be successful now. Past cause present result. More examples. If she had left earlier, she would be here now. If we had taken the bus, we wouldn't be late. Practice. Correct the sentence. If I studied harder, I would be a doctor now. If I had studied harder, I would be a doctor now. Formula 2. Present past. If plus past simple, would have plus past participle. Example. If I were rich, I would have traveled last year. Present condition past result.